Hello and welcome. If you are watching this, you are probably curious about chaga. Or maybe you are already using it and want to make sure you are doing it right. My name is Victor. I am from Russia, the place where chaga has been used for centuries as part of traditional health practices. I've been working with chaga for over 22 years, both professionally and in my daily life. One of the most common questions I get about chaga is, how do you prepare it properly? And the truth is, it really does make a difference. The water temperature, the amount, even the timing, all of that affects how much benefit you actually get. When it's done right, you preserve all the active compounds, and that's when chaga can truly deliver real results. But when it's done wrong, all of those benefits are lost. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple and effective way to prepare a chaga extract drink. The exact method I use myself every day. It's quick, it's powerful, and most importantly, it works. Let's get started. You don't need much. A tall glass, a teaspoon, you'll need a kettle, ideally with temperature control, a small electric whisk, and of course, high-quality freeze-dried chaga extract. I am using extract from Baikal herbs. It's made from wild Siberian Chaga and gently freeze-dried to keep all its active compounds. Let's begin. Step 1. Heat your water to exactly 40 degrees Celsius. This temperature is perfect, warm enough to dissolve the extract, but gentle enough to preserve its delicate nutrients. Step 2. Pour the warm water into your glass. Step 3. Gently sprinkle about a quarter teaspoon of chaga extract onto the surface of the water. Important: don't dip the spoon into the glass. The powder may clump and stick. Instead, let it fall loosely from above. Step 4. Now place your whisk into the glass, and then switch it on. This helps avoid splashing and ensures an even mix. Whisk for about 30 seconds until a creamy foam forms on top. It might remind you of a cappuccino, but this is pure, health-boosting chaga. You can add a little honey or natural sweetener if you like, but I recommend drinking it plain. The taste is earthy and smooth. Some say it's a bit like a coffee, but without the crash. Unlike coffee, chaga works with your body, supporting your immune system, digestion, and overall energy. For best results, drink it 2 or 3 times a day, preferably before meals. Most people start noticing the benefits in just a few days. More energy, better focus, and a greater sense of well-being. But here is the most important thing: quality. It has to be real freeze-dried extract from wild chaga. Not cheap powders and not capsules filled with who knows what. If you'd like to try the same extract I am using, it's available straight from our factory in Siberia. Just visit our website. Stay well, and thank you for watching.